Neta murata wa gite kia mbere ni wihokeku na ngwataniro kuri mundu no riu kugerera uthunduri mundu ni agite na murata ungi uikaine ta Frankie athondeketwo ni kambuni ya mitambo ya kiriu kuma Dubai ya Preside kora ena hoti wa guthaka kura munduro na mitugo ingi ya ngui ire imenyeretwo tiga kwaga hoti wa kuigwa kindu gikinunga Frankie ni ngui itaheagwo irio uthambio kumirigita ona kana kumitwara icera kuona ihuthiraga hinya wa battery mihango-ini itiganite.
Be used for agriculture in terms of it can be sent to farms. I know Kenya has a lot of farms, right? So it can go in Kenya and it can survey the crop performance, right? How the soil is doing, how the crops are doing.
Frankie ni uthunduri wa kiguni makiria mihango-ini ya kuhonokia andu hindi ya mitino ya mwaki tharikira cia itoi na kundu kungi ugwati kuri andu na ngui iria tumenyerete.
Situations wherein it is a little risky to send humans or officials to go inside a risky environment, you can send Frankie in and it can live stream images what is happening in the area for you.
Mugaro na ngui iria imenyeretwo Frankie agathikitwo mutambo wa kuhura mbica undu uria uteithagiriria ugitiri iwanja-ini cia ndege na cikaro cia muingi.